Phoenix Paradox here. We have a lot of wildflowers that grow in and around the garden. This particular one is called purple sneezeweed. How can you not love a flower called that? This is also an actual North American plant. This wasn't something that managed to make its way across the ocean from Europe or Asia. Beautiful flower. This is late June. They typically in our area are out for several weeks up into July. Well folks, you have a great day and let's keep it wild.